When it comes to land surveying in Bhubaneswar, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a trusted and reliable company that provides professional services in this field. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in various aspects of land development and construction projects. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, ensuring that the boundaries are clearly defined and all necessary data is collected. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of experienced and skilled land surveyors who possess a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its expertise in land surveying in Bhubaneswar. The company has been serving clients in this region for many years, providing accurate and reliable surveying services. Their team of land surveyors possesses the necessary knowledge and skills to handle a wide range of projects, from small residential properties to large commercial developments. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for land surveying in Bhubaneswar is their commitment to delivering high-quality services. They understand the importance of accuracy in land surveying and strive to provide their clients with the most reliable data. Their team of land surveyors follows industry best practices and adheres to strict quality control measures to ensure that all surveys are conducted with precision. In addition to their expertise in land surveying, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers a range of other services related to land development and construction. They provide site analysis, feasibility studies, and design services to help clients make informed decisions about their projects. Whether it's a residential plot or a commercial site, their team can assist in identifying potential challenges or opportunities and develop effective solutions. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Bhubaneswar. With their expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. 3D scanning is a technology that captures the physical shape and appearance of an object using lasers or structured light. It is widely used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, architecture, and healthcare for product design, reverse engineering, quality control, and visualization purposes. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art 3D scanning equipment to provide accurate and detailed scans of objects. They have a range of scanners that can handle objects of various sizes and complexities. Whether it is a small mechanical part or a large architectural structure, they have the capabilities to capture every intricate detail. Their scanners are capable of capturing millions of data points per second, ensuring precise representation of the object. One of the key advantages of availing 3D scanning services from Scon Design India Private Ltd is the speed and efficiency of the process. Traditional methods of object measurement and documentation can be time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with 3D scanning, the process is much faster and more accurate. The scanned data can be quickly converted into a digital model that can be easily manipulated and analyzed. This saves time in the design and manufacturing process, allowing for faster prototyping and production. Another benefit of 3D scanning services is the ability to capture